My name is Jacobeth Hauka and I'm the Supply Chain Manager for Vision PNG. The office upgrade project for Vision PNG National Office is in line with upgrading our furnitures across the National Office, ensuring that our staff have comfortability within their own individual workspaces, and being able to provide that through Theodist is a project that we have managed to achieve successfully. Our experience working with Theodist was a very good experience in a sense where we have found that Theodist has been a reliable supplier in providing all our requirements in terms of our office furnitures. As you can see from the video, the entire office is very well equipped with the office furniture supplied by Theodist. With this project, there has been a lot of engagements with Theodist, meetings with the sales team, with the corporate services team, ensuring the success of this office upgrade. But overall, the overall experience with working with Theodist has been excellent, and we would definitely be valuing this partnership going forward. The new furnitures have improved the workspace of our staff in terms of their comfortability. The chairs that Theodist have supplied is very comfortable and of quality. It also gives the professional look on the office structure as well. Speaking from our procurement perspective, from a realistic perspective as well, it would ideally take about over 3 weeks to even have this, the sourcing of these office furnitures, or even securing availabilities of these office furnitures. However, with the supply or the order through from Theodist, we were able to bring in quality furnitures within a span of 1 week. That's including the ordering of the furnitures to planning, installation, and the execution of the actual workspace upgrades. Yes, I would certainly recommend Theodist to other organizations, not only just other organizations, but to other non-profit organizations as well. We have partnered with Theodist over the years because of, number one, their reputation in the country, being the largest retail supplier of stationery, office stationeries and supplies to equipments, office furnitures and computers. They have also been very reliable in terms of the service delivery, ensuring stock availability in country to meet our on-the-go demand in terms of our office supplies. They have also provided quality products and services to our demands when need be, and they have also given special pricing to NGOs such as Vision. And that's the reason why we partner with them, or we have partnered with them over the years.